Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why those much-anticipated updates sometimes get delayed? Like when we were all waiting for the Tomato Bot airdrop, only to find out it's been pushed back? Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the new update, why the airdrop got delayed, and what you can do now to make the most of this situation. We were all eagerly expecting the airdrop this week. The buzz was everywhere, and the excitement was real. But then this morning, we woke up to the news that the airdrop has been delayed again, this time all the way to the end of October. It's not the news anyone wanted to hear, but there's a reason for it. Just a couple of days ago, a surprise update was released on the Tomato Bot. If you log in now, you'll notice a new option called Bronze has appeared. This update means they've changed how stars and levels are calculated, which directly affects how much airdrop you'll receive. So, let's dive into how this new update works. When you log into the bot, it calculates the number of stars you have and determines your level based on that. For example, if you're at the Bronze 1-inch level, you'll receive a certain percentage of the airdrop depending on the stars you've collected. If you want to level up and increase your chances of getting a bigger airdrop, you need to collect more stars. How do you do that? There are several ways. First, make sure to log in daily and complete the daily tasks like farming tomatoes or entering the daily codes. Every task you complete adds more stars to your account, increasing your chances of moving up to a higher level. Additionally, you should link your wallet to the bot. The recommended wallet for this is Bybit Wallet, and if you have just $1 in your account, you'll be eligible for a bonus once the airdrop is released. This bonus was supposed to drop yesterday, but like everything else, it's been delayed. Now let's talk about how to gather more tomatoes within the bot's game itself. There's a simple game in the bot that lets you collect tomatoes in just 30 seconds. The more tomatoes you gather, the better your chances of earning extra rewards. Just be careful to avoid the bombs that could wipe out everything you've collected. In closing, I hope you found this information helpful. While the delay is disappointing, the new updates offer fresh opportunities to maximize your earnings. Make sure to keep up with the daily updates, keep collecting those stars and tomatoes, and make the most out of this waiting period. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.